Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Xiaomi Smartband 9. On our previous video, we check on the heart rate monitoring of this wearable and we compare it with our fingertip pulse oximeter. On this video, we are going to check again the heart rate, but this time we are going to check the results. We'll have a simultaneous monitoring and we'll compare it with our Xiaomi Smartband 9. We will also check the UI of the and other options for the heart rate in the support app. Again, if you have any questions regarding this wearable or this video, drop a comment below. And if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and explore the heart rate monitoring. We are already paired with the support app, and here is the settings for our heart rate monitor. So we have continuous monitoring for 1 minute, smart 10 minutes, and 30 minutes. Here in our Smartband 9, it's a bit different, but I don't know if they still have the same meaning or function. We have the heart rate here, and we have an option here of smart every 1 minute, every 10 minutes, every 30 minutes. Okay, so it's a bit different. I don't know if this is continuous monitoring for 10 minutes, while the other one, if it will monitor your heart rate every 10 minutes. I don't know if they have the same function. Okay, we'll check on later on. And here we also have here the high heart rate and the low heart rate. Okay, so let's check. Let's start and let's see if we'll have the same results for the heart rate as well as the blood oxygen. Okay, so let's put this aside. So this is our Xiaomi Smartband 10 and the other one is the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So we have the heart rate here. So different UI as you can see. We almost have the same UI, I mean. We have the settings. So which do you think is better? It's a bit big here for the text, for the font size of our Xiaomi Smartband 10 compared to our Xiaomi Smartband 9. The same results here. It alerts you if you are not wearing the fitness tracker properly. Alright, so let's begin and check our heart rate. So we have here. So let's check. It's now measuring. The text here or the font for our Xiaomi Smartband 9 is much better compared to the Xiaomi Smartband 9. So we almost have the same. Okay, we have the same results here as you can see, 72, 73, 71. The Band 10 obviously do have a much faster results here. Yep, it updates the data here much faster compared to our Smartband 9. 78, 76, 77, the same. But as you can see here, they have the same results. The Band 9 is a bit slow compared to our Band 10. Just minor difference. But when it comes to accuracy, I think it is just the same. Current heart rate 77, 76, 78. Okay, 82, 83, 83 now, 84. Okay, so 81 then, 81, 79, 79. Okay, so I guess they have the same results for the heart rate with the Smartband 10, Xiaomi Smartband 10. It has a much faster monitoring compared to our Xiaomi Smartband 9, or it provides results faster than the Xiaomi Smartband 9. Then next, let's check the blood oxygen. So let's check, measure. It's now measuring. Hopefully we'll have the results right away. Measuring. In just a few seconds, we'll have the results here. And we have here right away for our Xiaomi Smartband 10. Okay, we have different results. Again, let's adjust. Okay, very far here for our Xiaomi Smartband 9. But anyway, let's check it again. Maybe it's just the position. It's now measuring. Checking. And we have 96 here, 90. Very far here on our Xiaomi Smartband 9 compared to our 10. Okay, maybe it's just the position, but we do have a very low blood. We do have a very low blood oxygen saturation here. The result is not good. Okay. Again, let's have another one. But when it comes to heart rate, as you can see, they do have a very good result, the same results. Let's wait. Okay, we have here, we have 97. Still, our Smartband 9 is showing a very different result compared to our Xiaomi Smartband 10. Now it's back, we have 97%. Okay, I don't know if the blood oxygen here is accurate or not, but we do have the results here. I guess something is wrong with our Xiaomi Smartband 9. But when it comes to heart rate, they do have the same results or outcome. Okay, so that's it for our video review for the health monitoring function of the Xiaomi Smartband 10 compared with the Xiaomi Smartband 9 when it comes to heart rate and blood oxygen. Again, if you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below, and of course, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.